Hello and welcome to the Embodied Breathwork with intention to release effort and tension from our beautiful female bodies. The intention of this practice is to support women to transition from masculine type of day where you have to make a lot of decisions, where you have to take care of a lot of things, be in control, and mostly use the prefrontal cortex of your brain to go about the day. And there is nothing wrong with going about the day in our head, but then the challenge is how can we transition back into our homes, to our families, and just back to ourselves and to our bodies after an intense day, and feel that we are back in our body and feel connected to our intuition, connected to our sense of self, and therefore we can feel connected to what's around us. And most of my students and clients are women that are single mothers and they feeding the family, successful women, entrepreneurs that fulfill the role of CEO of their company, and just generally women that today have to have a career and also have to take care of their family. And this is not an easy experience for a lot of us. And unfortunately, life as per normal today takes us out of our body, out of our senses, disconnects us from feeling good and comfortable and connected to the female physical form. And this practice is for us, for myself included. And I invite you just to dedicate this time only for you, only for your needs. Don't think about anyone else's need. Focus on yourself right now. This is just for you. You can find a comfortable seat. And I would just recommend try to find a seat somewhere on the floor. You can put a pillow or a bolster under yourself and just ground. When you're ready, you can take a moment to close your eyes and soften the features of your face. And you can start taking deep breaths into your nose and out through your mouth. Pause after the exhalation and then inhale. Exhale through your lips. At the end of the exhalation, pause. And continue this breath, just having your eyes softened, having the features of your face relaxed. And we are just starting connecting to the breath again after a day of not feeling like we're actually breathing. Allowing that pressure to start to come out. The breath out is like if you are trying to blow the candle. Just a few more rounds of this breath as we settling. And I invite you to start noticing this energy of effort. As you breathe in, notice where your body senses effort. Are you clenching your jaw? Is there any tension on your forehead? And notice the back of your head, the back of your neck, and your shoulders, all this line. And again, take a deep breath. And as you exhale, allow any effort to slowly melt off. Good. So we will continue with this breath into the nose and out through the mouth. And we will allow the body to move as it wishes. Just sensing where have you been storing that effort. And sometimes just notice maybe it's in your hands, maybe there is some still clenching in your fists, and just breathe into your palms. And release the palms on the exhale, and even move your fingers a little bit. Move your wrists. And this is kind of the way to release that grasping, that holding, control. Just release your palms. Rotate your wrist as you're breathing. And you can slowly start moving your upper body on a circle. And connect the breath and the movement. As you inhale, move forward. As you exhale, move backward. And notice your shoulders. You can roll your head from side to side. It's not a fast movement. It is not a forced or artificial movement. I just invite you to notice where all day long you have been feeling contraction. Your body was processing stress, holding stress in the body, and now it's the time to breathe into the body. And I really like to open my chest as I inhale, and then lean back as I exhale. So just go with that for a few rounds. In and out. In and out. Breathing. Any micro adjustments, any natural, not forceful movement that your body wants to do. Even a sound to let go, to help the body to release and process any stuck tension. And let's together take 3 deep breaths here. Inhale your arms up. Exhale, let go. Soften your arms when they are released to the earth. Inhale. Exhale, soften your arms as they are released to the earth. Inhale. Exhale, soften your arms as they release to the earth. And just take a moment to pause here, eyes closed. Natural breath into the nose and out through the mouth. And a few more moments, simply let any sensation of effort, contraction that you might find in the central line from your throat, through your chest, through your stomach, going all the way down into your female space. If you're noticing there is this central channel feels a bit stuck, contracted, or some kind of holding stress there, just breathe into that central line with intention to open and release effort. And that central line goes right from your throat all the way in the middle of your body through all the organs and lands right there in your female organs, in your womb, in your pelvic floor. So just your breath to release that central line, core, space in your physical body and help that place to let go effort. And a last breath here. You can come back to your natural breath in and out through your nose. And just pause. Notice what you notice. How's your body feeling? Just introspect for a few moments. And is there still their sensation like you're carrying all the responsibilities of the world on your shoulders and feeling like a strong fighter that gets out into the world and fights? Or you're still feeling a bit more soft, a bit more released, a bit more present with yourself. And a big thank you from myself for coming here, sitting with me, and taking this 10 minutes, 15 minutes to let go of stress. And I just want to let you know that on the longer run, it supports your emotional well-being. It supports your mental health and definitely prevents, on a longer term, prevents any sort of negative impact on our physical body, because our emotional tension and mental tension at the end up result in discomfort, disease, illnesses in our physical body, and we don't want that. And if we truly care about ourselves, if we truly love ourselves, and if we truly understand how challenging and masculine this world today is, then it's our responsibility to come home to our body, or take a moment on the weekend and protect ourselves from everything that's going on around us, and just sit and feel and breathe. As simple as that. Thank you so much for being here, for your practice, and I hope to connect with you soon again. Much love.